you know that it is what it takes to win this level?
Nothing comes easy. Everything's different. And actually, enjoy nga ako with my struggle kasi alam ko may growth doon na I'll become a better player and a better person. So, it's still a blessing na nag-struggle pa. I mean, Zero played well, everyone played well. So, very thankful for it.
Even before the final, sabi ni Chris, gusto niya kasi manalo kayo yung mga wala pang championship. Just talk about yung relationship niyo with Chris, especially now na nanalo kayo.
Yung relationship namin started naman ever since I came to San Miguel. He's been having my back. Siya yung parang big brother ko. Always rooting for me, always telling me to just be me, to be aggressive. Na whatever anyone says, just be me all the time. So, kaya love ko yan si Zero kasi yung tiwala na binibigay niya sa akin, siya yung confidence na binibigay niya sa akin.
Wami, champion kayo college, medyo natagalan ngayon sa pro, pero gano'n siya ka-sweet ang voice?
Yung parati kang binubulong sa akin ni Zero, sinasabi niya sa akin, it's delayed but not denied, and I believe in that. I believe in that quote, and tiwala lang talaga sa Diyos na anything is possible. Even though kami ni Dre actually, parati kami nasa baba, but finally nakamit namin yung first championship namin sa career namin dito sa Pilipinas.
How difficult kasi ng time na, of course with all due respect to therapy, kasi napapalalo mo, how difficult kasi for you na hindi ka nakakapag-chase ng championship?
Yeah, syempre very difficult. Kasi ever since naman with Terra Firma, yung loyalty ko talaga nasa kanila. Binibigay ko talaga lahat. Actually, yung goal ko nga lang yun, just to make the playoffs. And yun nga, na-trade. So very thankful ako sa SMB management, kina Boss RSA, Boss Robert, sa opportunity na binigay nila sa akin.
How about yung kasi muntik ka nang ma-upset din sa Miguel ironically last season.
Yeah.
Did you learn something from them during that time na you faced them?
Yeah. Pag winning time na talagang lumalabas yung pagka beerman nila yung pagiging San Miguel and championship experience nila nung nakalaban ko rin. And even here, nung pinapanood ko si Zero, si Marshall, Lassie, at saka Junior, yung 3 of the Death 5 na pinapanood ko, talagang madiin sila maglaro pag kailangan na manalo. And ang dami ko natututunan sa kanila watching from the bench.
Mami, siyempre, All-Filipino pa rin yung susunod na conference. Gano'ng kalaking bagay sa ito na yung meron ng championship?
Siyempre, mas malaking bagay yan. Sobrang hirap pala manalo ng championship kahit medyo stuck na yung roster kasi lahat gumagaling na ngayon Ang dami rin magagaling na dumadating. And hopefully gusto ko rin maging greedy na manalo ulit kami, hopefully back to back next conference. But obviously it's not going to be easy. Thank you po.